Welcome back to another video of today. Welcome back to another lesson of today. For today, I want to show you some leagues and some improvisation on high life tone, high life progression. High life progression. So you all know high life progression is always on the 1. The 1, 4, 5. We're learning the key of G. That is the key of G. You can have it here also. That is the key of G. So let's see how you can improvise on that. Guys, so like you can hear like a solo there. Like the first part is the playing there is your 1 chord, you do 7 ta. I play my La chord there. I play my La chord. Va. Play the Va chord. Your 4 chord now. Add the 7th there, which is the More. Which is the More. Then go to my 5 chord now, the Saw. Then I play some improvisation with the double string. Do mi re fa mi so mi. And I play slide from the Va to the Saw. So I played Va. I played these two, the Re Va and the Saw, up on the 3rd string and the 2nd string. I slide from the Re to the Mi. So now I play la 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 la. Okay, or you can play chair. La 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 la, so, okay, so now you now make some solo in, and now make some solo in here. So la do re mi, so mi re do la. So you need to know how to pull on, make a pull on. You need to learn how to do a pull on. Okay. Now go to your do, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, la, mi, so. Okay. Do, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, la, mi, so. Okay. So I played. Okay, so that is it. You need to just try and see how you can play that, learn that often. Then I play something like that. Do, so, fa, mi, re, do, la. Okay. Fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, do. Okay, so those are some improvisation you can use to, improvise when you are playing an high life tune. Okay. Okay. So I believe with this video it's gonna help you and also enhance your playing. Okay. So if you have any challenge, you can drop it on the comment section. Okay, like the video, share so that others can learn. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.